dito sa cake. For the third. Hey guys, it's Heya. If you're new here, hi, hello. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's your favorite trip with me. And of course, stay tuned at the end because I'm going to have a trip haul at the end. And if you want to know me more, here are my social media accounts. You can follow me and we can be friends in there. So without further ado, let's go to the video. Hey guys! So it's another day, another trip vlog. And today, napakarami na may agenda. Pupunta kami sa tatlong thrift store ni Blaney. Pupunta kami sa Santa Rosa dahil friend namin yung nagbabantay dun. And sinabi niya sa amin na it's on sale. And hindi kami napunta nung arrival dahil kasi wala kaming pera. So pupunta kami dun ngayon kasi first day nila mag 50 pesos and it's only 12:34 p.m. Sobrang sipag namin. And after that, punta kami sa another two store sa Landayan and sa San Pedro Bayan. So yeah, come join us to thrift today to 3 places and I hope you enjoy this vlog.
Wala ang iced coffee, ano?
Salmon mayo, cheese sausage, saka large iced coffee para gumpapagana.
Type C.
Hindi ko nadala.
ASMR! Ice.
Lapit mo yung mic. So, hi guys. Nandito kami 7-Eleven and kakain muna kami ng lunch, salmon, mayo, and kay Blaine ito. And sa likod is yung Gulp coffee. Yeah. Dahil nalimutan ko mag-lunch, kaya napilitan kami mag 7-Eleven. After nito, mag-ukay na kami. So, yeah. It's 10 minutes na ata kami nandito. Ito pa lang nakikita ko. What the heck? And feeling ko hindi pa to kasha. And sobrang naulan sa labas. Ay nako, I feel like it's a bad trip day. Si Blaine, wala pa siyang nakukuha. I hope may makita kami today kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. You can see. So this motor jacket type, pero parang pa-fleece yung texture niya. What do you think? It's cute. I'm gonna hold on this. Pero isukat ko pa later. So, dalawa na. Nahanap ko. Grabe naman yung pagkakulay. Tignan mo. Bicolor talaga yung arrangement.
Rainbow, no?
Oh.
Sa kabila, black. I found something na ano.
Oh my God. Akin na lang.
Itachi
Kasi
shirt.
parang hindi kasha. No?
Kasha yan.
Kasha sa akin?
It's oversized naman. Oh, look at the back.
Hindi kasha sa akin yan. Ang ganda.
Mag-get this.
Sa'yo
Ano
yan.
ako, Naruto fan.
Yo. Ito na yung mga nahanap namin.
Puro basics.
So, ito-try ko yung mga damit na nakuha ko. Feeling ko hindi na kasha itong iba kasi masyadong lumaki yung braso ko ate. Ay, kasha pa naman. Tsaka na-adjust siya dito.
Ganda
Oh.
na. Oh?
Oh my God, ang kati niya.
Para siyang ano. Hindi naman siya makatay kasi may inner lining naman siya, no?
At least kasha. Trip ko siya kasi para siyang motor jacket.
Yeah.
Ito isang kukunin ko. How about this one? Cute pa naman. No?
Hmm. It fits
What do you
naman.
think?
Ganda.
Ay, ang liit! Ang liit! Ang cute ng color and pattern niya. Parang siyang cheetah print. Ang kasha lang. Sakto lang ba?
Ito lang.
Pagsasamahin ko na tong dalawa. Tong dalawa. Para isahan lang.
Buti nag-comfy fit ka lang no, para masukat mo ng maayos.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, mag-comfy fit lang.
Yun yung tip, guys. Is to wear
Tip number
comfy
1.
fit
Ay,
na
kasha siya.
fit sa inyo. Yeah.
So cute. Ito, maluwag to, panigurado. Pero ang cute ng design. No?
May vest.
Ito, for sure, kukunin ko to. Because it looks cute. Pero to, what do you think?
Ganda.
Unique
Maganda
lang
naman
ng
talaga, the
design niya.
details.
No?
Very unique. The first item na nakuha ko is para siyang fishing vest or
Yeah. Wala ako nakuha sa dress. So sad. Ay, may isa pa pala.
alin,
Ako dyan na dress later na. Maganda.
no? Type she another vest. Di ko sure kung maganda. Di
Try
ko pa
mo muna.
Yeah.
Parang may ganyan ka dati, di mo naman nagagamit.
Nabenta ko na. Wala na akong vest doon.
Ganda.
Ganda din.
Maganda naman. Tignan mo. Parang Reyna and I got 7 pieces and Blaine got 6 pieces of thrifted clothes. Pon pa din. And
Tumingin
we're
ka na sa mga
waiting na lang
jorts.
na mapack yung binili namin. Pero tingin pa rin siya ng tingin.
Wala na akong ano.
Visit!
Yung fit ko.
Wala ko, what the fuck? Rain or shine thrift.
Ay, not bad.
Yeah.
Rate out of 10. Santa Rosa today.
8. 7.
7, no?
Hey guys, so nasa landayan na kami and kumain muna kami ng kwek-kwek and vegetables and isa nandun, cheese stick. After namin kumain, tsaka kami mag-ukay because we're so hungry. Nakakagutom talaga mag-ukay guys. Pero nandito na kami, nakapark na kami. So we're gonna eat muna. Nandito na kami ngayon sa thrift store as you can see.
Sa landayan.
Basang-basa yung basa kami, naulan kasi. Ang daming okay talaga dito. As you can see sa mga iba kong vlogs. Dami as in. And yung price rin dito is around 10 pesos hanggang 100 pesos lang. So, very sulit. Maghanap na kami. Second store ang pinuntahan namin. And I found this 35 pesos file. And ito yung nakita ko.
Dito tayo nakakahanap ng
Super
maraming
cute.
polos, no?
Pleated top. I'm gonna find another one pa. And these 2 pieces, this cute pink lacy lingerie ba tawag dito or tank top lang? And it's from Moda. And this parang textured gold na top. And ito yung mga nahanap ni Blaine. Pero polo na naman. First find dito sa landayan. Pakita mo.
Worth 220?
220. 5 pieces. So, ikot-ikot na kami ulit. Wala masyadong tao dito. Kami lang.
Maulan kasi. Yung weather.
Yeah.
Nakakatamad talaga mag-ukay.
Ikot-ikot lang muna kami. Sa 20 pesos naman. Dito na kami sa another store and mura lang dito.
Everything 20.
Yeah, pero wala pa kami nahanap. May mga scarves sila, dresses and everything. Ito, meron ding 10. Ito mga nasa 10 pesos nila. I'm gonna give you example.
Dito na ako ng mga polo na
Oh my God,
kinakrop.
ang cute nito. For 10 pesos lang.
Hmm.
10 pesos nakalagay dito eh. Saan yun? Or my finds as of now. Ayun sa'yo. Patingin. Ayan pa lang. Itong dalawa.
1, 2, 3. Hindi ko sure sa pangatlo. Ito.
We find more pa. Found a pile ng mga belts. Ayan, 20 pesos lang each. And ito yung mga nakita namin. We found this brown one, this blue one, this parang corset sa belt. And Blaine found. Puro belt ko pala to. Basta ayan. Ito na lahat yung nakita namin. Yung mga pieces na nakuha namin ni Blaine. And yun yung mga belts. 220 lahat.
Meron akong 20 pesos.
20 pesos each and 11 pieces siya with the belt. So, it's 220 pesos. We're done na. What ang
Ang
dami.
dami.
And ito pa.
Magkano worth more than 500 lang, no?
200.
Sa landayan.
Oh. Hindi, 600. 650 15?
Yeah.
Okay. We're done na here sa Landayan. Dito yung Ukayan sa loob niyan. And sa parking area na kami. Kapagod. Buti
Nakadalawang
tumigil
bag.
na yung ulan. Ito yung na-okay namin.
Ang dami na.
Sobrang dami na.
Pag nag-commute tayo, hirap na bitbitin.
Ang dami na. And we spend around 1,200 na ata.
Mm.
Say
So,
hi to the vlog.
Hi. Wag na tayo.
Isang location na lang.
Yeah, San Pedro.
Here na. And I'm so tired na and gutom.
Last stop or
Ayun, ayun.
pwede naman doon kung pwede mag-park, no? Or kung
Yeah.
kaya ng budget pa.
I'm so tired. Let's go. Here's the last store. Naabutan pa namin yung arrival kainis area.
Ate, nag-park po kami sa harap.
Gotta find things.
Nag-park.
Mahal siya, guys.
Pag
Pinakamura
yung arrival,
na to,
uwi na.
din puro pangit to. Ito yung pinakamura nila, 3 for 1,000. 3 for 1,000. 3 for 100 yung pinakamura. And puro siya polo and everything. Oh my god! I have an exact piece like this dati.
Punta tayo, ate parking.
How about this one? Super mix. Bummer. Wala kami nakita. And ang mahal pa
Wala.
nila kasi yung arrival. It's a bummer thrift store. Pero dati kasi may nakikita kami dito ang magaganda. Ngayon lang wala. So yung last store na pupuntahan namin is sa Millennials Fashion Boutique. And hopefully may parking kasi kaya hindi kami pupunta dun ngayon sana kasi walang parking talaga dun minsan. Pero hopefully today meron. And here, nandito na kami. Dito siya sa may Suki Market. Ayan, Suki Market. And ayun nga, wala ang parking
Wala
day.
nga,
Ay, meron. Kaso naka-ano. Pwede kaya tayo mag-park.
Ay, wala.
May,
Wala din.
ayan, sa gitna. Ayan, oh. Diba?
May chain.
Yun lang. Saan tayo magpa-park? Andito na kami. Tapos nakipark pa kami dito sa simbahan. Hindi namin alam kung anong simbahan to. Sana may makita kami magaganda pa.
I'm crazy for you.
Super sale na sila. 3 for 100 na lang almost everything. Wala nang shoes masyado. So, hi. Nandito na kami sa Millennials Boutique. Ayan. Umahanap si Blaine. Pinakamura nila dito is 15 pesos. Pinakamahal 80 pesos na lang ata. We're gonna find some thrifting. Yung mga summer pieces. Hopefully, hindi ako ma-overwhelm kasi pagod na ako. Ito pa yung last stop namin. Ha! Sabi ko sa inyo guys, pag nandito kayo ma-overwhelm kayo, kita nyo gano'ng kadami yung damit. May ikot mo ba yung lahat? Dito pa. Diba?
Crazy for you.
Ito sa kids wear, nasa 15 pesos na lang sila each. And 4 for 100. Yung mga cups nila, 4 for 100 na lang. Yung mga nakita ni Blaine, it's all scarves. Na akong nakita, Diyos ko, tinatamad na talaga ako dahil di ko na kaya. So tired.
Mag-isimula.
Yeah. And di para kaya ng one day full of thrifting kasi sobrang nakakapagod, nakakagutom. Ah. Pause na si Blaine. Grabe yung likod mo, para ka naligo. Blaine is paying now. And I got nothing. So, I'm not paying anything. So, yun yung nakuha niya.
Scarves
Patingin.
lang.
May ano pala sila dito, resibo. So cool. So, we're done na with the thrifting and we're gonna eat na dinner. Kasi gabi na. Around 5 na, 5:30 na or pa 6 na. So, abangan nyo na lang yung thrift haul later. Goodbye, mag-goodbye ka. So hey guys, we're now at the trip haul, the one that you've been waiting for. So disclaimer lang, yung ibang items na ipapakita ko here sa trip haul are the items that hindi ko pinakita sa vlog. Kasi pag papakita ko pa yung iba na pinakita ko na sa vlog, magiging redundant na. I have a lot of pieces na nakuha that time, pero hindi ko pinakita kasi like it's in the moment, nalimutan ko na mag-vlog, you know the feeling. So, papakita ko here sa trip haul yung mga hindi ko na videohang items, and I will show you how I will wear them. Yeah. So, guys, this is the first piece. Ako masabi. Ang ganda niya. Si Bay nakakita nito. Ito sabi niya, I think bagay ito sa'yo. Oo. Tama siya. Oh, look how the details are. May mga buckles siya here and it's butas, and I'm planning to put something on there. And here then meron. So, I have a lot to do with this on styling. Pero I think I will crop this then. And I will make this a little shorter. Mga ganyan. I think. Pinag-isipan ko pa paano ko siya gagawin. Ang dahilan talaga ba't ko ito nagustuhan is because of the sleeves, its flare, and because of the buckles. Ang cute ng design niya, I swear. Like, ayoko lang ng like niya because it's too like andito na siya. But kung isipin natin na ika-crop ko to, tapos ililiitan ko to, like ganyan kaliit. I mean like, look at that! Diba? And nakita to ni Bane dun sa may landayan, sa huling stop namin dun sa landayan. It's only for 30 pesos, I think. 30 to 35, mga ganun. And, ten out of 10, approved. So, for the second outfit, ito, napakita ko to dun sa video, pero hindi ko napakita na kinrap ko siya. It's like this length dun sa video, and sabi ko kay Blaine, ika-crop ko na lang to make it more my style. And ito, akala ko kasi sa akin ba eh. Pero I think, mas maganda siya with pants on the bottom and oversized. Pero kung mga skirt ko siya gagamitin, I'm thinking of doing like that. I think ganyan ko siya gagawin. Like that. With pagka naka-pants ako, I will use it as is. Pero kapag ka naka skirt or whatever na pambabang mas maliit, I use it like this. Baliktad siya. Ganyan pala siya. Ayan. Diba? I'm rating this, I think 6 out of 10 kasi hindi siya nag-match. The third piece, I think this is the prettiest combination I have put on today. So this is a paisley top that I thrifted for only 35 pesos, I think. And it's oversized, as you can see. It's tied in the back, but if I'm going to wear it, I'm going to wear it like this. And this is a shorts. It's a shorts na parang skirt yung harap, pero shorts yung likod. I don't know how this works, pero it's so pretty kasi yung zipper talaga yung nag-drawn on sa akin why I bought this. Look at the zipper. I don't know how will you style it up with open zippers, pero I think it's cool to have a piece na masyadong walang kwenta yung purpose niya. Pero look, it has a 2-finger pockets. Yun lang yung kasha. And the details is on point. And it fits me like a glove. Like a glove. So I like this fit because siguro it's my style kaya ako siya gusto. I just don't like the fit of the top because it's very oversized. Medium to pero ang laki sa akin. Pero if I'm gonna wear it like this with a socks, with a high knee socks and a platform shoes, and I think with a messy bun and some long accessories and a cute mini bag. Yeah, so I'm gonna rate this outfit, I think 10 I'm gonna rate this outfit 10 out of 10 because it's cute, it's my style, and it only cost me less than 100 pesos. So yeah. So for the next outfit, this is a bit not giving combination kasi the top and the skirt is not combinationing. Know what I mean? Pero gusto ko yung top kasi it's giving summer 70s, I think. Huwag niya sa akin nakakainis. Pero nakalagay small. Siguro excess talaga ako eh. Pero pag excess yung suot ko, masikip. I'm giving this a 3 out of 10 because it's not matching, it's not giving anything. Pero separately, I think they can pull it off. I haven't styled this yet, pero I'm gonna show you later kung ano ipa-partner ko. Pero ito yung base niya. It's giving brat. Like, kung nakita ko to, sabi ko, brat. Gumano talaga ako. Tapos, the color kasi, and the fit, and yung pagkaka-asymmetrical niya, pag ganyan siya. And the back, it's really giving brat. Hindi ko kasi trip mag-dress, kaya I think I'm gonna wear pants over it, or pa-crop ko din siya. Like, gagawin ko tong top hanggang dito, or hanggang dito. And the bottom, I will make it a tube, or a skirt. I don't know pa. Pero if I have to style this, I will style this like this. It's so cute. I'm gonna rate this 9 out of 10 kasi hindi ko siya na-style maayos kasi I don't have the pants to fit this kind of color. Pero I like the the dress itself, so it's 9 of 10. So I didn't notice that the microphone is off, so I'm gonna voice over this part. So this is the second to the last fit, or the pieces that I fitted in this thrift trip. This top is a off-shoulder, medyo skin-like yung color niya, and yung bottom is a skirt. Hindi ko alam kasi kung sinasabi ko dyan kanina, pero ang na-explain ko kasi is hindi ko dapat kukunin yung top, kasi kaya wala siya sa video kasi ayan, as you can see, malaki siya sa akin. And the only reason na binili ko siya is because of the sleeve. As you can see, yung sleeve niya is parang pa-balloon type, and it's really cute kung sakaling the length is sakto sa waist mo. Pero kasi sa akin mahaba, kaya I didn't get it muna. Pero kinuha ko na rin because I will sell it on my Instagram account kasi a lot of you, my buyers are looking for off-shoulders like this. And hindi ko na siya ikikip because I have a lot of... I just realized that my mic is on mute! What the... This skirt. I saw this
Doesn't have an audio.
It's only for 50
Sabi na
pesos.
over ko na lang.
And
So this
compare
is the
that
last
yung,
pieces. As you can see, nakita niyo to
design
kanina
niya.
dun sa
And if I would
haul,
style this, I would
and this,
put
Nikita.
more layers
This
at the bottom
skirt.
to
I don't know why did I
mas
bought this. I plan to
maging
crop this
very
like
light
this,
pa yung design.
like that.
So yeah.
Pero I think
Yun
that I
yung
made the wrong decision kaya ko sila hinuli. Ito binili ko because I like the color and the texture and the design, pero yung dye, di siya kabagay sa skin.
So again, nag-mute na naman yung mic ko. Siguro lobat na. But what I'm saying here lang is, nire-rate ko lang yung outfit and justify ko lang ba't yun yung rating niya. But the rating is 5 out of 10. 5 kasi maganda naman yung fit itself. Pero hindi lang siya bagay sa akin. So yeah.
So that's it for today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs like. And if you like more of this video, you can subscribe here and click the notification below. I will upload at least once a month. See you on the next one. Bye!